So I got 12 ounces of raw peanuts here, and I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'm gonna put it on the plate here. Just rinse it out. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt on the peanuts, and then a tiny bit of sugar. And then I'm just going to mix everything up. Put the peanuts on the plate here. So spreading out the peanuts will make it cook more evenly. Otherwise, some of the peanuts will get burned before the bottom ones are done. Now I'm gonna put the peanuts into the microwave. So I'm just stirring the peanuts a little bit, move it around. And then try to spread out the peanuts again so that you have a thin layer. I'm going to take the peanuts out and let it cool off. So this is going to be hot. You have to let it sit for like 10 minutes for the